Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussed to part 45 Human Resource in Laravel 10. This is my channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. This playlist inside this Human Resource in Laravel 10 44 already videos uploaded. This 45 video start. Let's first of all this my gem server started, Apache and MySQL I started, localhost PHP my admin successfully good working. This open this gem server. Inside this htdoc folder, inside this project name is sr available. This sr, this Laravel latest version. This open the my text editor, successfully open, and this run htdoc inside sr. This localhost sr successfully project run. This database name check.env file open, and this database name is sr available. This sr database is this find this table database, click this available this database, and this user table open this user table. In this available email id, this email id copy this email id and this password 123456, and is role means 0 and 1. 1 means sr, 0 means employee. Login this sr1. Successfully login and set this password, and just click this department. This department add inside this add department. Department inside this name is static available. We pull ndio. This name is dynamic name. Step by step set this manager name. This dynamic name set inside this department. Inside this name dynamic set. Let's start this dynamic name set. Just copy this URL, copy this URL and route inside web.php. Find this route, this available this get method, this add function. Copy this copy and department controller open this department controller inside backend inside department controller. This department controller add, and this function is available this add this backend inside department inside add view resource backend inside department inside this add. Successfully set this we pull and do this remove save file and refresh this page. Successfully remove this good working. Let's step by step set inside this $data get manager is equal to this manager name manager table. Check this manager table, this available this manager, click this manager, this copy this table manager in model, open this manager inside this table is available. This copy this model name and department controller open inside this manager model add. Copy model inside this manager model available. This copy this manager model and paste here, get and save file, and all the data this pass. This data pass, copy this variable and add blade php file open inside this foreach loop and paste this variable as $value m. This new variable create end foreach option. This name is available. This copy this value inside this available name is manager name. This save file and refresh this page. Successfully all names set 1, 2 and 3. This name is available. This dynamic name 3 name is available. Inside this 3 name is available. Click this manager. Only 3 name available and a new add manager name. Error manager name is error gmail.com any number and submit. In this error manager name new add, click this department and this table is refresh. Successfully available. This manager is this add department. Click this and this manager available. This error manager good working. Let's step by step check this value dollar variable. Copy this variable and paste here inside this id available. Successfully set and this name is good working. Let's post method open this post method. This post method, this insert this post method, this add post, this insert already, this good working, this table already insert this records inside. Let's check this department already this id available manager id 1 2 1 1 and 2. 1 means this name is available, 1 means this name is available, 2 means this name available. Good working. Let's add this new manager. Department is prog and manager name is error and this location is Sri Valley and submit. Error means new manager add and successfully submit. And this static available, this step by step refresh this page. Error means 6 number add, this 6 number add error. This department check this 6 number is not a add. Let's step by step this id add, this value id save file this missing file. This remove this record is not good. Let's manager in this id add, refresh this page again and click this add. This dev program in this error and this mota and submit. Successfully check this 6 number is available inside this available, this missing record. This click this delete. Successfully delete all good. This any record add inside this again add. This software manager name is Mohan is click this and this Sri Valley and submit. Mohan is available. This Mohan is available. This 5 number. Let's check this manager. Good number. This 5 number. This good. This submit successfully. This add department model. This department model check this already include department model. This department table good working. Let's step by step edit, step by step set. First of all this list add this static list available. Let's this list available, this list available, this inside department inside this list file open. This copy URL, this copy and find this URL, this available this URL inside this list index, this index file available and this department model open inside this get record. let's get record inside this join query here. This get record inside this join query add join, this name is manager, this manager, copy this manager, manager.id, this id name is equal to this table open, this department table open, department table copy this table name dot this name manager id, successfully set, and this add this manager, copy this manager name dot available this manager name, and save, successfully set this manager, save, good working. Let's step by step this copy this name, this join query add in list file, open this list file available inside department, inside this list file add this list file, inside this available this static name, the static name is remove, this static name all remove, successfully save file and refresh this static name remove, and this dynamic name set dollar value, this name paste here, this name is paste here, and refresh this page. This successfully dynamic name set Mohan error, all step by step dynamic name set. This 1 to 6 number is error, 5 number is Mohan. Let's check this. 6 number is Mohan, 5 number is error, all step by step dynamic name set. Good working. Click this edit button. This 9 number is edit, and this static name edit, step by step this static name, see inside this dynamic name add this edit function, click this edit, this admin get edit, and this edit function, this copy manager and edit function inside this paste here, successfully paste, and data already this pass available, this data already pass, this file open, this edit file, click this edit file, inside this static name is available, this static name, this static name is available. Good. Let's remove this and dynamic name all set. First of all, this add blade PSP file open, inside this copy and edit file is paste here. Let's save file, successfully set this variable, and this variable set. Let's refresh this page. This successfully available, this all name, back button, click this back button, inside this error message show this error message and edit, and this error set, this last error set. Let's select record, dollar, this copy this name, is equal to this variable, inside this variable dollar get record, inside this id, inside this available this name, selected, and save file. Let's refresh this page, successfully error successfully set. Click this back button, and this is available, this zone app, this edit, successfully zone app selected. Let's back button, click this. Any name, add this name is add this 2 number record inside this edit. This successfully edit available. This manager is update record. This already update. Let's step by step update. Inside this error, this Mohan and this as it is this update, this 2 number record successfully Mohan available in this database is automatically changed. Let's refresh this page. Successfully 2 number is 5 number add. Good number. Let's check 5 number is Mohan available. This record is update. Let's 3 number is 1 number add. This 3 number is 1. Let's refresh this 3 number. This name is changed. This and it is this error, and click this submit. This 6 number is error. Let's this error available, and this refresh this page. Successfully 6 available. This number 6 number is error. 6 number is error show. Good working. Let's Excel file, click this Excel file, export. Excel file export. And this open this Excel. In this static name, manager name is static name. Let's step by step. Dynamic name set. This manager name is dynamic name set. Close this file. This Excel button. This list file open. Inside this Excel button, copy this Excel button. This copy this path and paste here. This available. This copy this function and department controller is available. This department controller is available. This good working. This inside this department export department, export inside this department export. Click this department export, and this static name is comment, and this dynamic name set. This manager name is dynamic name set. Get record department model. Inside this get record department model open. Inside this copy this name is manager name. Good. Set all set successfully, and this add dynamic name set. This remove department ID, and this user copy this variable and manager, and save file. Successfully save file, and refresh this page, and click this export, and open this Mohan error Johnson all step by step name set Mohan. It all step by step set. This good working. This all good working. This dynamic name set. This successfully set. Good working. This add all step by step set. This edit, click this list, this add successfully add model add, this manager add, all successfully add, successfully set. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.